Rebuilding your credit, a step-by-step approach. Repairing a damaged credit score may seem daunting, but with a structured approach, it's entirely achievable. If you're ready to rebuild your credit in the UK, you're in the right place. Here's our step-by-step guide to help you on your journey to healthier credit. Step 1. Understand your credit report. The first step in rebuilding your credit is understanding your credit report. You can request a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 main UK credit reference agencies: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Review it for any inaccuracies and dispute them if necessary. Step 2. Set up payment reminders. Making your credit payments on time is one of the most important factors in calculating your credit score. To help with this, consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you pay on time and never miss a payment. Step 3. Pay down your debt. Paying down your existing debt is key to improving your credit score. Start by listing your current debts and prioritizing paying off those with the highest interest rates. Remember, it's important to continue making at least the minimum payments on all your accounts. Step 4. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the ratio of your credit card balance to your credit limit. Aim to keep this below 30% to show lenders you can manage your credit responsibly. Step 5. Don't apply for too much new credit. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report, which can lower your score. Try to limit new credit applications and only apply when absolutely necessary. Step 6. Diversify your credit mix. Lenders like to see a mix of credit on your report, such as credit cards, retail accounts, installment loans, and mortgages. But remember, don't open accounts you don't intend to use. It's about responsible management. Step 7. Stick to a budget. Creating a budget can help you keep your spending in check, ensuring you have enough to meet your debt obligations. It can also help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more towards debt repayment. Step 8. Regularly review your credit report. Regularly reviewing your credit report can help you understand how your financial behavior impacts your credit score. It also allows you to catch any potential errors or fraudulent activity that could harm your score. Rebuilding your credit won't happen overnight, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. It's about consistent and responsible financial habits. With patience, perseverance, and a structured approach, you can improve your credit score and open up new financial opportunities. Remember, credit repair is a journey, not a race. You're already on the path to success by reading this article and taking the initiative to improve. Keep going, and you'll get there. Here's to your financial health.